Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my social media planner for the week of November 18th through the 24th using this pumpkin patch kit by SammyLynnPlanning. So you guys pretty much know the drill by now if you've seen any of my videos before, but this is my Practical Paper Company planner. If you guys are interested in saving some money off of Practical Paper Company's website, all the information is linked in the description box below. You can use my code PPCMegan to save yourself some money off of your planners and planners goodies and stationery, all the fun things that you'll need for 2025. Highly recommend you check out their planners. They're amazing. I'm also on SammyLynnPlanning's PR team, so if you use my code Megan15, you'll get 15% off of your order and receive my freebie for the month of November. This is what my freebie looks like. It matches the winter blush kit, I believe is what it's called. It's super cute. I highly recommend you guys get it and get that freebie before the end of November. This is the pumpkin patch kit. It is available in her website, or her Etsy store. So if you want to get it, I highly recommend. I love this kit. I've been hoarding it for like 2 years now, so finally I'm going to use it. So this is, I believe, the full kit, if I am not mistaken. So we've got the washi strips here, the full boxes with some headers. We've got the regular, like, full boxes that are like for writing in or whatever. Then you have the 1/2 and 1/4 boxes, both patterned and regular. We have the what are these called? This is the like functional thing. I'm missing the word appointment here because I stole it and used it for something else. But we have the habit trackers and things. We have all of the icons. We have another sheet of headers and washi strips, and then the days of the week and all of that fun stuff. So that is the kit. I'm not going to get into any more explanations. We're just going to go ahead and jump right into this week. So I'm actually filming a little bit ahead of time because this week my sister and brother-in-law are coming down for their holiday thing. I don't really know exactly what they're doing, but I'm excited to see them because I have missed my sister a lot and we don't ever really see them, so I'm excited to see them for this month. I think we're gonna actually use this big leaf strip and we're going to cut it in. Actually, I was gonna say we're gonna cut it in half. However, alternatively, what we would do is we're going to just line up the planner spread and do it that way. Oh, I need to write out the word details before I go any further, because we will take this little guy and use it for the other side, even though that is not the same size. How extremely unfortunate for us. Oh well. Okay, I have to concentrate. But yes, my sister and brother-in-law are coming down to visit us. They're going to a wedding and of their friends, and they are just staying with us for this holiday like time for Thanksgiving. I have to work, unfortunately, on Thanksgiving, but that doesn't mean I won't be able to hang out with them and see them when I get off of work. So that is super exciting. I should have thought this through a little bit better, but it's too late now. Hopefully I can figure something out. Anyways, oh, actually, alternatively, we could just use these. We'll just do that. Here, I'm gonna use this one. Look at me being smart. Is this being smart? Not sure, but it's making use of what we can, so I'm gonna call that being smart. It's not gonna look very nice, like matchy-matchy, but I think it'll work. Maybe, possibly, probably not. Look at that. We made it kind of work. It kind of matches. I think it'll do. Don't tell anyone we did that. But yeah, that's what's happening this week, so I'm very excited about it. So I am filming just a little ahead of time, just a couple days before I normally do, just so that I can have time to edit and just hang out with them while they're down, because I'm going to be spending my off days with them. So just filming a little ahead of time, just so I can make sure I am hanging out with them. You guys doing anything fun for Thanksgiving? Do you celebrate Thanksgiving where you live, or is Thanksgiving kind of like just a normal day? All good if it is. If it is a normal day for you, I hope you guys are having the best time, and I hope that it is not super busy where you are, and that you are enjoying time with family or whatever you guys like to do on a Thanksgiving day when you're just normally out doing whatever. Ooh, are you going Black Friday shopping? We've got some good sales happening this month. Oh, it's gonna be good. Speaking of SammyLynnPlanning, she's bringing back her monthly bundles, which has been announced, so I can tell you about that. It has officially been announced by some other people and her. I am excited about it. I've been really hoping that she would bring them back, and she did, and we're gonna see. I probably won't be able to get anything, but hopefully I'll be able to get at least one. The bundle that was released for this month is amazing. It is so good, and I highly recommend you guys getting that bundle. It is Christmas movies, and it is just way too cute for anything. It's too adorable to not get. That's my opinion. Okay, let me add all of the things. So let me check, because these are what I use for Sarah Lynn art, because it's not my normal posts that I do over on this side. So I'm going to check her releases. I know she's not participating in an official sale for Black Friday. She is having a Black Friday sale, but she's not doing like an official sale. So what is this, the 18th through the 24th? So Black Friday isn't happening. There's nothing new happening this week. Okay, that's what I was wanting to see. So I'm just going to have my normal posts then. I know I have another page of headers. Here we go. Is that this? Yeah, there's two. I thought there was three, but I guess not. So let's use this set because there are three of them. Actually, alternatively, we'll use this set because there's only two of these colors, and I won't be having a Sunday post because I'm going to be posting a lot the next week. So we do have our feature Friday this week. Just going to move this up a titch for that feature Friday post. Let go. Thank you. And I would just move the thing for $2 Tuesday, but we're not having a $2 Tuesday this week because it's going to be the week of Black Friday. So we'll put that there, and then we have our normal week's post. Oopsie, let me not break things. Ah, I already did. That's unfortunate. There we go. Okay, I probably should put these down when I'm putting down the date covers, but I don't think ahead. Alright, I'm going to move over to this side because I do want to make sure I have room for all the important things that are going to be happening. So, we have our filming and editing list, which we are going to do these two for filming and editing. Filming and editing. And we will use these guys for headers. Okay. And I think I'm going to switch it up this week and put the PR 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. the PR releases and such over here. 1, 2. Okay, why am I not doing a good job at pulling these up? There we go. Now we're rolling. 3, 4, and 5. And then down here, where did that box go? There it is. We're gonna put all of the important information that we need to remember. Let's use this white box here. Okay. And layer it like this. Not quite enough layering, but it will. And we'll use this orange box. Well, actually, we'll do these leaves and this white box and do that one like so, and then use these extra guys for the titles. Now, one of these is going to be Black Friday information, and the other one is going to be information for like things that are happening this week. I don't know which one will be for which category, but I will figure that out after I'm done. So now that we have all of that down, we can go over here and we can add boxes on to this side because that's fun. That's upside down, Megan. I kind of want to do the orange box up at the corner there. We'll just kind of throw these wherever. Do the other orange one down here. And maybe, since we have this leftover green box, oops, this is why I did not lay them down fully. See? Because I'm a smart cookie. We'll layer them like this. Ah, how fun, you guys! Look at this! It's so cute. So I said one of these boxes was going to be Black Friday information. So since this is closer to the next week, I'm going to write that there. And then this is going to be sales. So we are going to get the shopping bag for that. And then I think that's it for this. Okay. Now we need to add some boxes. I also want to put the weekend banner down because I love the weekend banner. I think it's cute. So my weekend is now, instead of the actual weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Friday and Saturday, because I am off on Friday and Saturdays. So when people see this, they're going to be like, Megan, the weekend is not on Friday. Well, it is for me, so deal with it. And that's all that matters, is it's the weekend for me. So that's where the weekend banner will live, because I don't want to take up too much space over here. Okay. So this is the week. I do want to start getting ready for my December stuff, because in December I'm going to do a lot of planner setups. So usually I like to do my social media stuff on Saturdays and Sundays. So because my social media plan with me is going to go up on Saturday, I think I'm going to do Sunday as the monthly setup. So I want this box to go there to notate that. And we will add this green box for that. Okay. And then I'll probably go ahead and set up my Hobonichi cousin as well. Let's do that on Wednesday. So I'm going to use, why not we use the green box, right? Actually, we're going to put you back and just use a normal colored green box. And grab let's do this big red one. Okay, I said Wednesday, so I'm gonna kind of kilter it just a little bit off of the bottom so I still have some room for writing other things down. Okay. And I do kind of want to have a box for Monday because I'm thinking I'm going to do another setup video. So we'll add the pink box there, just at the top. And then I think that's probably going to be good. I don't want to do too much. So let's go over here. And there should be new things coming this week that I want to remember. So I think I'm actually going to put these for important. And then I think we're going to use the planner icon for those, just right there. I kind of want to add some of these light green washies. Should I? Just like little header pieces. I feel like it's kind of silly, but I don't know. Part of me really likes it. Okay, I gotta stop. I gotta stop before I messed up. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my social media planner by Practical Paper Company using this adorable pumpkin patch kit by SammyLynnPlanning. I love this. I think it's so freaking cute. I cannot wait to use it for this week, and I hope you guys are just as excited about this kit as I am. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, don't forget to check out the description box or wait till the end of this video. There will be a playlist related to my social media planner, and there will be in the description box along with all of the information for Practical Paper Company, SammyLynnPlanning. There will also be lists of different playlists that you can check out if you are interested in seeing any of my content. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was inspirational. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.